tell you a name that strikes even greater fear into the hearts of bad men everywhere.
Lightning Larry!
We'll never forget the day Larry rode into our little town of Brimstone and walked into the Cotton Mouse Saloon. He showed up to the bar and smiled straight at the bartender.
Lemonade, please.
Every head in the place turned to look.
Oh, now, standing next to Larry at the bar is Crooked Kurt.
Kurt was one of the band of rustlers and thieves that have been terrorizing your town with ferocious outlaw named Evil Eye McNeil.
Kurt was your unusual outlaw scout.
Larry turned to him and smiled.
Mighty big frown you got there, mister.
What to do?
And maybe I could help you remove it.
I'd like to see you try.
The rest of us got up the way real fast.
The bartender ducked behind the bar.
Larry and Kurt moved about 10 paces from each other, hands at the ready.
Larry was still smiling.
Kurt moved first, but he only just cleared his gun from his holster before Larry aimed and fired.
Zing!
There was no bang and no bullet, just a little bolt of light that hit Kurt right in the heart.
Kurt just stood there, his eyes wide with surprise. Then he dropped his gun and a huge grin spread over his face.
He rushed up to Larry and pumped his hand. I'm not glad to know you, stranger. The drinks are on me. Lemonade for everyone!
When Evil Eye McNeil's outlaw gang heard that Crooked Kurt had gone straight, they shut him right down to their boots.
Any outlaw would rather die than smile.
Evil Eye's back was shook up, but they weren't about to let on.
The very next day,
Dismal Dare, don't stick.
Jeopardy!
rode into the Brimstone yelling like crazy man and shooting wild.
Window shattered.
And Stinson scattered.
The lightning Larry showed up. He never warned them.
Never even stopped smiling.
Just shot 3 little bolts of light.
Zing, zing, zing.
Hit those outlaws right in the heart.
Larry's shots knocked those outlaws to the ground. They lay there trying to figure out what had hit them. Then they got up and looked around.
Looks like we did some damage, boys.
Said Dismal Dan.
Hope nobody got hurt.
Said Devilish Dick. You better get to work and fix this place up.
Said Dreadful Dave.
They spent the rest of the day replacing windows and apologizing to everyone who'd listened.
Then, for good measure, they picked up all the trash in the street.
Evil Eye McNeil had lost 3 more of his meanest men.
And he was furious.
He decided to do something really nasty.
The next day,
Stinky Steve and Sickening Sid.
walked into the 79 National Savers in Low with guns in hand.
They weren't fast.
But everyone knew who they were from the smell.
Stick up your hand, said Stinky Steve.
Give us all the money in your vault, said Sickening Sid. They were just backing out the door with the money bag when Lightning Larry strode by.
Didn't even slow his step.
Just shot those bandits in the back.
Zing, zing.
Went right through to the heart.
The puzzled outlaws stopped and looked at each other.
Seems the same to steal the money of hard-working cowboys.
Wouldn't want to make their lives any harder.
They holstered their guns and went back to the teller. They pulled the money bags back down on the counter.
Now you keep the money safe.
Then they pulled out their wallets and opened up accounts.
That was the last straw for Evil Eye McNeil. It was time for a showdown.
The next day at high noon, Larry was sipping lemonade at the Cotton Mouth Saloon. Evil Eye burst through the doors and stamped up to him.
I'm Evil Eye McNeil. Hello, Evil Eye. Can I buy you a lemonade? This town ain't big enough for the both of us. Oh, I don't know. Seems pretty spacious to me. I'll be waiting for you down by the Okie Dokie Corral.
And Evil Eye stamped out.
Larry finished his lemonade and walked out onto Main Street.
Evil Eye was waiting for him, but Evil Eye wasn't alone.
There on either side of him were
Raunchy Rat, Friendly Grab,
Creepy Cow,
Only Mike,
Lousy Luke,
and Gruesome Gus.
and not one of them were friendly.
nice day for a stroll.
Called Larry.
Draw.
Said Evil Eye.
All of us citizens of Brimstone were lining Main Street to see what would happen.
Larry was still smiling, but we knew even Larry couldn't outshoot all those outlaws together.
Just then, a voice came out from the Cotton Mouth Saloon. Lots of help, Larry.
Wouldn't mind it.
Outstepped Crooked, and right behind them were Dismal Dan, Devilish Dick, Dreadful Dave, Stinky Steve, and Sickening Sid.
They all took places beside Larry. Hello, Evil Eye.
Called Kurt.
Traitors!
Yelled Evil Eye.
Draw.
Said Larry with a smile.
Evil Eye and his men drew their guns.
But Larry and his friends were an eye quicker.
Their guns fired 7 little bolts of light.
Zing! Hit those outlaws right in the you-know-what.
Yippee!
Yelled Evil Eye.
He shot in the air. Zing! There was no bang and no bullet.
Just a little bolt of light. All right, men, let's clean up this town once and for all.
Zing! Zing! Zing!
And before we could duck for cover,
Larry and Evil Eye and the others.
Turned their guns on the rest of us.
Bolts of light flew everywhere.
No one was spared.
Not a man, woman,
Or child.
Yippee!
we never saw such a happy crowd.
We all rushed and hugged each other.
Then the musicians got out instruments and we had dancing too. Main Street was one huge party.
All the rest of that day,
And on through the night.
We never drank so much lemonade in all our days.
With all the commotion, only a few of us saw Larry right into the sunset.
can't say where we went,
Can't see what he's doing now.
but we bet he still waits for the heart.
Zing!